Hiya people, and welcome to another sketchbook tour. This time around a thin sketchbook, so it shouldn't take long. There's lots of very messy drawings in here, so I figured I want to show you anyway because it's all part of the process. Sketching. Sometimes it's just doodles. Let's have a look. A4, it was nice to draw in A4 again. It's been a while since I've done that. First here, these over here are some couple of sketches from watching Wednesday, the show on Netflix. Up here we have some bookkeeping. Bit more Wednesday. I was lazy not filling out the whole page. A ship. Here I've cut out a character, which I'll be using for maybe a little animated film. These are some sketches from watching a documentary about El Bulli, a restaurant that's no longer exists. Some more sketches for the this animated film. I did a Monday doodle at one point to figure out the composition. This was one of them I worked on, but I think this is a bit of a static composition, so I'm trying to figure out how to create a more dynamic. Maybe they have to be up on a dune and look down on the ocean. I think would be more exciting. A bit of preparation for drawing school. We call this in English hanger. Quick hands. Pure practice. This is my sister down here. Then we have also some for the drawing school perspective, and something for the Danish YMCA. And who sneaked in here in the corner? A guy who looks like Santa. Only this is a smoking Santa. Don't ever start smoking cigarettes, it's dangerous. I hope that if any kids watch, don't start smoking. It's very bad. Something entirely different. Hands. I have the idea of drawing some more hands, so sometimes I just focus on drawing, for instance, feet, or so here it's just hands. And look up here. I don't know if you're watching along, Johnny, but this is your hand from I've been sketching to one of your videos. It's quite fun. Hands. More hands. I watched a bit of Murder on the Orient Express, the old one, the one from was it from the 70s? Which was surprisingly funny. It was just so overacted and really comical. These are some sketches for a project. And these are same thing here. This was for an illustrated recipe. I was hired to do an illustrated recipe for creating a mycelium brick. So we are a mushroom brick, and I have the recipe now available on my Buy Me a Coffee profile. if you like to try that out. It's not very complicated, it's just there are many steps in it, but it's not too complicated, and you can actually build with mycelium bricks. It's a good building material. This was the final character here, standing with a finished brick. We have a monkey over here. And that was basically it. And the funny thing about the mycelium brick is that I was supposed to draw some hands here in action. And that is where it was excellent that I had been just in this mode of drawing hands. So this made it a bit easier for me to draw some hands. So whenever you're going to draw something, you can always do a lot of sketching of looking at hands or any other object really in reality, and then you have it right there in your subconsciousness. Thank you for watching, and I would like to mention that I have almost found all of my sketchbooks in the basement for the last from the last 10 years. So very soon I'll be uploading a very long sketchbook tour of showing you guys those sketchbooks, and that will require a lot of coffee. Thank you for watching. Till next time, have fun drawing.